stop that car or you're going to jail. Stop the car right there, now. Stop the car.
Terrific platform jump.
Stopping on the 16,400 block northeast, 137th Court.
Hey, step out of the vehicle, driver! Step out! Hey, show me your hands, hands! Step... Hey, turn around, turn around, turn around! Hey, slowly walk up back to me.
Keep your hands
Hey,
up!
keep your hands up!
Look
Alright,
away.
turn around!
Well, you are dumb. You do not pay attention, do you? Get up! Get up off the ground! Face away from me. Put your hands up, face away from me, and walk back to the sound of my voice. Walk back, keep your hands up. Pay attention, listen.
1050.
Go down to your knees. Go down,
Hey, go
to, your knees. Cross
Zero,
your feet
700 block 40.
and sit on your feet.
Speed 1028.
Put your hands up and face away from me. Step back towards the sound of my voice. Step back, 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 step to your right. Step to your right, step to your right, step to your right, step back.
I'm holding the car.
Step back, step back. Go to your knees. Go to your knees. Face away from me. Put your hands on top of your head.
Here, I'll come over and cuff. Hold it.
No, I got it. Just cover the car.
Hold the car.